right, welcome back to the Roadmap Journey series. We are moving into Module 12, which is how to test your funnel. And so what they're going to be teaching you in this module is very simple and straightforward. We're going to go into our funnel and we're going to create a test pricing plan for the roadmap. They're going to show you how to mark that as a dollar, how to set it up, and then how to go in to your domain, run your funnel, go in and purchase that dollar pricing plan just to make sure that everything goes smoothly, right? They want to make sure that your funnel populates, that the actual transaction goes through, that you receive what it is that you're supposed to receive, that it prompts the thank you page like you're supposed to. And once that is done, you'll go back to your dashboard and you'll be able to see that you have one incoming sale, which is what you just bought for $1. So once that transaction has gone through and you now know that your funnel is good to go and ready to launch publicly, you're going to want to make sure that you remember to go into the pricing plan and deactivate it, right? So as long as you have it like saved as a draft, or if you delete it entirely, you want to make sure that it's not still active on your funnel, because if it is, customers that click on that sales funnel and they go through the entire process, they get to that page, they're going to have an option for the roadmap for $497 and then test for $1. And obviously that's not a good look. So make sure that you're taking the extra step. Once you've completed the entire process, you've confirmed that your funnel is good to go, make sure you go in and you take that test pricing plan off of that funnel. All right. So the next thing that we're going to be doing, they're going to be teaching you how to make sure that the currency is set correctly on your funnel. Now, what that means is I'm in the United States, so I want to make sure that my currency on my funnel is USD, right, for the US dollar. If you don't check this and you just go ahead and click past that step and it is set to something not US dollar and that's what you wanted, and you now spend 3.5 hours modifying your funnel, setting up pages and steps and all of that and customizing, and then all of a sudden you realize that, wow, it's not in US dollars, you cannot change it. So what they're going to walk you through first off is double checking that it's set to USD. And then if you don't, and you've now customized, all of your pages and you're set to go, but it's not set up to USD, they're going to walk you through how to copy all of the pages that you have into a new funnel where you can start that funnel over, put it in at USD, and then convert those pages over to the new funnel so you're not losing hours and hours and hours of customizing your templates. So one thing that, again, is important to know is that you are on a free System.io account when you first start up, okay? On that System.io account, you have up to 3 active sales funnels, 15 steps within those 3 funnels. Mix and match however you please. You get up to 2,000 people on your email list. Once you surpass that 2,000 on your email list, or you need a 4th funnel activated, you're then going to have to decide whether or not it's worth you upgrading to the starter package, which is $27 a month. Now that package is going to bump you up to 10 active sales funnels, 50 funnel steps, and 5,000 people on your email list. So after that, you can jump up to a $47, I believe it's called Seminar. And then I believe the next one is the Unlimited, which is $97 a month. And that is their top tier. So obviously you're starting with the free plan. Make sure you're running with that free plan all the way up until you start to see some growth and your business starts to scale. And once that starts to happen, you can make a decision. Is it worth you now jumping from the free plan into the $27 plan? So next, they're going to show you how to index your website for Google search. They're going to take you through the Google Search Console. So they're going to make sure that your domain is actually searchable on Google. So if you go to the Google Search Console and your domain is not coming up or it's not indexing, they're going to walk you through all the steps to make sure that you get that set up properly. It may not happen immediately. It may take a day, maybe a day or two. I know that happened with me, and I ended up getting an email that everything was confirmed, and then now the site is indexing. And then we move to the last step, which is how to import your contact list into System.io. All right. So what that means is, obviously within the funnel that you have, if you have a freebie in there and you're collecting emails, you're going to generate leads that are going to be populated within your System.io campaign. If you're already using a third-party email service, like a MailChimp, and you have X amount of email list already and you want those contacts to be imported into System.io, this is the module where you're going to learn how to do all that properly. They're going to walk you through the entire steps of how to do that. So that wraps up this module, and then it's setting us up perfectly to go into the next module, which is module 13, email marketing mastery. And so we will go through that in the next video. If you have any questions, obviously leave them in the comments, guys. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.